Hi guys, welcome to episode number 1 of Kamil's Garage, teaching you guys what the fuck a rivet is. As you see here, my Passat's a piece of shit. We have the old inner door panel. Speaker was here. New one. Speaker is there. This is a rivet, Fernando, fucking guy. It goes in between this little hole, pushes through, goes out the back, and is nice and secure. You can't take it out like a bolt. It cannot be removed easily like your love for Juliana, and it is very strong. So what I'm going to do here is just prop my phone real quick. Maybe, somehow. Yeah, like that. Nice. This is a rivet gun. I paid for this. Just like that. And has a nice day.